In this video, I'm going to show you how to install some custom-made boat lettering. Now this is going to work for fiberglass, aluminum boats. It's also going to work for jet skis, pretty much any watercraft. You can even put them on kayaks and canoes as well. Now you don't want to go to the hardware store and get that ugly block lettering. If you have a nice boat, spend $20-25 and get some custom-made lettering. There's all different colors and font choices. So let's go ahead and get it installed, and we'll see the before and after. This is what I'm talking about, guys. If you have a really nice boat, you don't want to go to the hardware store and just get these ugly letters. They're all crooked, they don't look very nice. These custom-made letterings really makes your boat pop, and someday when you go to sell it, might actually add some value to your boat. First thing we need to do is remove all this old lettering. Now I have a cordless heat gun. I'll put a link in the description down below how you can get these off Amazon. This one's actually from Harbor Freight. They're all probably made at pretty much the same place. So you're just going to warm up the letter. Give it about 5 or 6 seconds. Get it nice and warm. Start to kind of roll it back with your fingers. It's going to be kind of gummy. It's going to leave residue, and I'll show you how to get that off. Now once all the main part of the sticker is off, you can probably still see residue. That's a little bit sticky. I can still see some of the letters. You're going to want to use some goof off. Now this isn't the most powerful adhesive remover. It works well and it's pretty much safe for all surfaces. Now I'm just going to soak a paper towel with the goof off, and then we're going to rub all around where the sticker was. And you can probably only get 1 or 2 areas at a time before you need to fold over your towel. Get some more goof off on there, because once this residue comes off, it really gets gummy on your paper towel, so you'll have to use quite a few paper towels. So go ahead and get off all that residue. Once all the residue is off, go ahead and use like a foaming cleaner or some type of all-purpose cleaner and just give it one more wipe down. We're going to get all the dirt and grime off of this area. Now your custom lettering is going to peel apart. You're going to peel the back off. And now we're going to go ahead and place it. Kind of pull it a little bit to keep it tight. And then once you got it lined up where you want it, go ahead and press it down. Now to smooth it out, use a credit card or a plastic putty knife. Start in the middle and then work your way out. So you can start in the middle and just go down on all the letters and numbers. This is just working out any air bubbles. And now go from the middle and go up. Like I said, plastic putty knife or a credit card works really well. I prefer the plastic putty knife because it's a lot more flexible. And then once you have that pressed on, peel off this top layer very slowly and make sure that the letters or numbers are not lifting. Now we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. Once you got all the residue off, use some all-purpose cleaner. Get any dirt and grime off of here. You're going to peel the backing off. Now you're going to work all the wrinkles out with a plastic putty knife, starting from the middle, going down. If for some reason you do get an air bubble and you cannot get it out of your letter, you can take a really small safety pin and just, wherever the bubble is, stick it with a really small safety pin, and then that should pretty much get about any air bubble out of this stuff. But if this stuff's nice and warm, do it on a warm day. It stretches out a lot easier. Like today is about 90 degrees. This is going on a lot easier and quicker than if it was 70. Peel this off really slow. If you start to see a letter lift, stop and then push it back down. I'm just giving you kind of a far away view. I did pick these colors because it matches the trailer and the lettering on the trailer. And that's all there is to it, guys. The trailer lettering makes this boat pop. It really sets it apart from the way it used to be. I'll put links in the description down below how to get everything off Amazon. Have it show up in your doorstep in 1 to 2 days. The custom lettering is going to take about 2 weeks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.